We're in Laramie, Wyoming. Gonna have some fun in the sun. It's a little bit chilly. Merl donned his lovely flannel, doggy flannel. Oh my God, Merl! Snow's deep. Woo! Oh shit! Oh, we're exploring the wild tundra, frozen tundra, Wyoming. What, you motherfucker, want this ball? Put that goddamn ball. There he goes. Here he goes. Oh, he's fucking wild. He's a wild dog. He's been wanting to play ball all day. Oh man, he's gonna be a soggy doggy. Get what you sign up for. Everybody, stay warm. Keep it moist. Click like, subscribe, and share. And keep on watching Merl chase balls. Adios.